Officials leading the effort to unlock the mystery of Flight 370 are lowering expectations this morning. Up to 19 planes and ships are in today's search zone, a 2.5-hour flight from Australia. That is closer than areas previously searched. Holly Williams is at an Air Force base near Perth with the new developments.
Good morning. Malaysia's police chief said today that the criminal investigation into the disappearance of Flight 370 is now focused on the pilots and the cabin crew. He said all 227 passengers have been cleared of any involvement, but he admitted that what happened on board the plane may never be known. Suspicion has fallen on the pilot, Zahari Ahmed Shah, and the co-pilot, Farik Abdul Hamid, and investigators have now begun interviewing the families of the flight crew. Jackie Gonzalez's husband, Patrick Gomez, was the chief steward on Flight 370. She told CBS News that Malaysian police went to her home yesterday and asked about Patrick's bank accounts, insurance, and even his hobbies. But the crucial missing link for investigators is the plane's wreckage, and especially its 2 black boxes or flight recorders. A multinational search involving aircraft and ships from 8 countries still hasn't found a single piece of debris from the missing plane. Now a British nuclear submarine, the HMS Tireless, has joined the operation in the search area around 1,000 miles off Australia's west coast. Today, Malaysian officials met privately with some of the families of those on board. The family's grief has turned to anger and frustration. They say they're not being told the whole truth about the investigation, and they accuse the Malaysian authorities of insensitivity, in particular for informing them of the plane's fate via text message.
They conduct themselves very well in the meeting, and we had a very good question and answer time.
The Malaysian Prime Minister will arrive in Perth, Australia tonight. He'll pay a visit here to Pearce Air Base tomorrow to thank all of those involved in the search operation.
Holly, thank you.